Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sew only Hindi language in Amazon Prime. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, sign in, and on your screen you can see there are options like Home, Downloads and Search. Go ahead and tap on search at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the top right corner you can see your user icon. Select it. There right beside it there's a streaming icon, and beside that there's your like icon, that is settings. On the settings you have to find language, which is under my account. There you can see there are various languages. All you have to do is scroll down and select Hindi. After you do that you have to select yes, and guys, that's it. That's how you sew only Hindi language in Amazon Prime videos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.